Hi guys, welcome to my productive vlog. I woke up at 8. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:48 a.m.
Yeah, it usually takes me quite a while to get out of bed. I mean, actually, technically I woke up at 7:40, but I knew that I had an alarm for 8, so I was like, whatever, I'll just stay. I'm starting off my day by like getting ready because it'll just like motivate me to like be productive. So yeah, my eyebrows have been really bothering me lately. Okay, whatever. Just don't look too close. Okay, wow, that one's a lot more arched. Like, what am I supposed to do about that? I'll give you guys a quick little rundown of like what I need to get done today. Record, edit, and upload a video for today. I just didn't want to do anything to do it all today. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. Oh, I need to like write down a shopping list. I already did yesterday, but I just have to like make sure everything's right on it. And then I'll probably meal prep my breakfast sometime today. To do my like uploading schedule and like my like recording schedule, but I think I got it all covered last night, so I might not have to do it anymore. I really hope that I'll have some free time to finish crocheting a bolero because one, it's already getting really hot outside and I literally started it over winter break. So because I just want to start something else that's like really in need for like spring season, and I'm actually gonna make a video for it, so I hopefully have all the fabric. It's kind of, I mean, not all the fabric, the yarn, because I like saw it and I was like, oh, I forgot about just the tips of my eyelashes there. I kind of put it everywhere, but not too much. I wrote my to-do list yesterday, but I might have to update it. Today I was like trying to lock in, like I spent my whole like afternoon and evening doing homework, and I also need to get cracking on some patchwork t-shirts, which my friends have ordered for me, and I'm so excited because I made one for my friend's birthday and a bunch of people liked it. So I was like, guys, $10 a piece, $10 a piece. It's atrocious right now, but I was gonna go for like a cute like pink like protective girly kind of outfit, but I realized I had like nothing really comfortable that's pink, so I'm just wearing this hoodie which I just got out the wash, and I really hope I don't get it dirty because I literally wear it like multiple times a week. It's like integral to my school outfit rotation. My little fold over leggings. So let's put this on. So I have to take a peek at my meal planning board, or whatever this thing is called. Okay, so I'm trying to get hungry, so I'm going to resume this with breakfast. This is what I have so far. Here I've written down all my protein sources that I already have. To record my video, and I was gonna do like a gift guide, but that was gonna take a really long time to edit because I would have to insert photos of everything. So I'm just doing a bit of a collective haul from like the past 2 times that I went shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna go record that and come back to you guys. I don't know why that sound felt so sad. I'm here with my 2 bevs. This is my second thing of water, my only thing of coffee. I know it looks so light, but I can still like really, I'm too lazy to like figure out how to make like good coffee, so I just do coffee and creamer until it tastes good enough. I don't drink coffee for energy because I feel like it doesn't really give me energy. I just drink it as an excuse to have creamer. So that's the tea. I feel like I should do more videos here. The setup's kind of cute. My posters look kind of goofy because I need to tape the corners of them. I put them up like literally over winter break, and it's about to be spring break and I still haven't taped the corners. They're just like, especially, and don't let a gust of wind get in here because they're gonna go whew. I'm gonna edit my video now. I want to do it on my phone so that I can have like some kind of noise coming out of my laptop, and I know it's so bad. Editing is like the most like it literally uses all of your senses, and I still want something playing in the background even if I like can't pay attention to it. It's so bad. I feel more productive when I do it on my laptop. And also, if I do it on my laptop, I'll be able to film a quick little time lapse of me doing it. So I probably will just do it on my laptop. And I'll probably just have someone playing in the freaking background. I don't know. And I don't want to hear anything about my security Bluetooth boy. Shut up. Because you will not find me. You will not catch me buying AirPods. I'm sorry. I finished editing. I don't know how long it took, but it didn't really take that long. I don't know when I started, but it's 12:09, and my plan was to like get the thumbnail and everything done before, like, in the morning, but it's not the morning. The morning's not over until I eat lunch, so I'm gonna do that super quickly and then I'll be accomplished. I just uploaded the video finally, and I'm gonna eat lunch now. Okay, I decided to have tortellini for lunch, so we are officially on bottle number 3, and I am now going to record a few shorts for the week, which the amount of like time I put into thinking about my shorts is so crazy, because shorts isn't really my main thing. It's supposed to be helpful, but low-key my shorts be flopping. Should I like stop? But we'll see. Just finished recording like me planning it, and then basically I categorized them. So the ones that need to be like recorded, like just like straight up, like I don't know how to explain it, but like recorded with like no other, like, I don't know, 2 dances and 1 just like outfit thing, and then 2 little TikToks to make, but they're just like record the sound and like lip sync it, like, you know, like a few that are like when I get to it. It's like one is skincare related, one is like crochet related, are just for when I make my baby tees. So I am going to be getting busy on the 3 like separately recorded ones, and then we'll see how I do the rest of them. The one with like the most effort is like outfits that I would wear if I was allowed to wear blue jeans to school. So basically making a TikTok mourning the lack of these outfits. So okay guys, I just finished my shorts, and since I was like changing outfits in it, I decided not to wear the same outfit because this is like makes me feel more put together and more cuter. So yeah, I'm gonna check up on my to-do list and see what else I need to do for the day. Hey guys, I just did my hair and my makeup, and I made a few little Tic Tacs. I look fine on the camera a little bit, but literally I hate how I look when I put more makeup on, and I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know, I wore all makeup to Hoko and I look good. Maybe it's because maybe it's only if I go all out with the eyelashes too, but I can never go all out on mascara at home. Like, I just can't do it. I had like these little braids in my hair, and I defined a few pieces, but I got so tired of it, I just put it in a call clip. I'm probably gonna put it like in pigtails or like other, ooh, I need to sew these off real bad. But I'm gonna get a little fruit bowl, eat that, and then work on the t-shirts. I know you've been seeing all the patchwork shirts, hoodies, etc. on your For You page, and I have officially hopped on the trend. I finished ironing and everything, so this is the finished shirt. It looks so boxy and weird right now, but it'll definitely look better on. So I'm gonna fold this up and eat dinner. So okay, Din Din is ready. It's not as aesthetic as I was hoping for it to be, so I'm not gonna give y'all no close up. But basically, I just have 2 pieces of like whole grain bread with butter, and then a scrambled egg with some cheese on it. The cheese isn't all the way melted because I put it a little bit light. But I'm actually pretty behind schedule. I was not expecting that one shirt to take me so long. I really thought it was gonna be like a quick like 1-2. But also, I think that's probably gonna be like the longest one because there's like a bunch of like different parts, and then the other ones, I don't even know, but we'll see. Do another one tonight. I really can't work on it during the school. I mean, maybe on Tuesday, because I'm gonna be home early and I'm gonna not have as much homework. So we'll see. It is officially like 9:12, which is way later than I intended on showering. I'm also just gonna have to soak off my nails tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. And I'm just gonna shave this weekend because it's really hot, and I was like, oh, I'll wear skirts. I'm just not trying to do all that. So, yeah, I'll see you guys after my shower.